Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P242a code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your vehicle's exhaust gas temperature sensor, also known as the EGT sensor. And if left unresolved, it can affect the diesel particulate filter, catalytic converter, emissions system, and overall engine performance. What does P242a mean? P242a stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 3. In simple words, the ECU has detected a fault in the electrical circuit of Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor 3 on Bank 1. The exhaust gas temperature sensor measures the temperature of the exhaust gases as they flow through the exhaust system. The ECU uses this information to control DPF regeneration, protect the catalytic converter, and reduce harmful exhaust emissions. If the ECU loses communication with the sensor or receives an invalid signal, it stores the P242a trouble code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P242a, you may notice: check engine light on, DPF warning light on diesel vehicles, reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, frequent or failed DPF regeneration, increased exhaust emissions, engine entering limp mode, and in some cases, reduced turbocharger performance. Many drivers notice only the check engine light until the problem becomes more serious. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Sensor 3 is usually located after the diesel particulate filter or catalytic converter, depending on the vehicle manufacturer. The sensor is threaded into the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU through an electrical wiring harness. Because it is mounted in the exhaust system, it operates under extremely high temperatures and harsh conditions. The most common causes of P242a include: faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, damaged wiring harness, broken or melted wires, loose or corroded electrical connectors, exhaust system damage, water intrusion into the connector, or ECU problems in rare cases. Heat damaged wiring near the exhaust system is one of the most common causes of this trouble code. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional exhaust or DPF-related trouble codes. Inspect the exhaust gas temperature sensor wiring carefully. Look for melted insulation, broken wires, or corrosion. Check the electrical connector for moisture or loose terminals. Monitor live exhaust temperature readings using a professional obd2 scanner, and test the sensor resistance according to the manufacturer's specifications. How to fix P242a: repair damaged wiring. Clean or replace corroded connectors. Repair damaged exhaust components if necessary. Replace the faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor. Clear the code, perform a complete road test, and verify that the sensor reports accurate temperature readings during normal driving. Final result: fixing P242a will restore accurate exhaust temperature monitoring, improve DPF regeneration, protect the catalytic converter, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, improve engine performance, and help your vehicle run efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.